Hey everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Bit-O-Asm-1 challenge from picoCTF, otherwise known as Cylab Academy. The description for the challenge says, can you figure out what is in the EAX register? Put your answer in the picoCTF flag format, picoCTF n, where the n is the contents of the EAX register, in the decimal number base. If the number was hex 11, your flag would be picoCTF 17. Download the assembly dump here. So what you want to do is you want to copy the assembly dump file here. So right click on it, copy the link. And then in your terminal, we're going to make a directory for this, BOA1, then enter that directory and copy the file using wget. So wget space, right click, paste in, paste clipboard, hit enter, and that'll download the dump file. So here we've got a text file called disassembler dump 0a.txt. We can take a look at it using the nano text editor. Okay, so what this is, it's a list of different assembly instructions that were captured from a binary during its execution. So we'll talk about what this is. Okay, so this is PicoGym exclusive, Bit-O-Asm-1. In this challenge, we're asked to look at an assembly dump for a program and figure out what's in the EAX register at the end of the program. So in this case, we're dealing with x86 assembly instructions. And to complete this challenge, we'll need to understand what a disassembly dump is. So a disassembly dump is a record of assembly instructions a program executes when it's run. But to understand the contents of a disassembly dump file, we'll need to understand a bit about the x86 assembly language. Okay, so assembly languages are the programming languages that are closest to the pure machine code that the computer processors execute. Okay, and we're going to be taking a look at something called the EAX memory register. The goal of the challenge is to understand what value is in the EAX register, but what is this register? So in x86, EAX is a memory register, which is a location where data is stored. The CPU has many memory registers, and EAX is a very commonly used one. Okay, and we also have to understand the move instruction because, well, we have to understand what these different instructions do. So move is an assembly instruction which moves data into memory registers. So into memory registers or memory locations. The syntax is move, the location to be affected, and then the value. So in this instruction, move will move the value hex 30, so 0x is hexadecimal 30, which is decimal 48, into the EAX register. So basically we're moving a number into the memory register here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the memory dump. So the only thing we need to understand is whatever is affecting the EAX register. So it says move into EAX hex 30, and hex 30 is, well, it's decimal 48. So they want us to do the flag in a specific format. So it's going to be picoCTF, and then between these brackets over here, the number that's in, the value that's in EAX in the decimal format. So picoCTF 48, this is our flag. Okay, so we'll go back to the challenge, and then we will scroll down, and then in the flag submission field, we'll paste in our flag and then click on submit. And we're finished. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Bit-O-Asm-1 challenge from picoCTF in their reverse engineering series of challenges. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.